Ever wondered why money often becomes a sore spot in relationships? Let's face it, talking about finances isn't as romantic as stargazing or sharing ice cream. But here's the thing, avoiding money talk can lead to a rocky road ahead. Studies show that financial disagreements can erode intimacy and spark tension among couples. So how do you navigate the tricky terrain of money matters while keeping the flames of love burning bright? Stick around as we delve into 5 crucial tips for financial harmony in relationships. Let's get started. Number 1, start the conversation off simple and just talk. Money conversations can feel like diving into icy waters, but trust me, the initial shock fades quickly. It's crucial to establish a safe space early in your relationship where financial matters can be discussed openly and honestly. Begin by sharing your financial realities, debts, savings, spending habits, without fear of judgment. This sets the tone for transparency and trust, laying a sturdy foundation for future discussions. Consider this conversation as a journey into each other's financial DNA. Discuss how money was managed in your respective families. Was it a taboo topic or openly discussed around the dinner table? Understanding each other's upbringing with money provides valuable insights into your partner's financial mindset and behavior. Remember, this isn't a one-time chat, it's an ongoing dialogue. Regularly check in with each other to share updates on your financial progress, goals, and challenges. Keep the lines of communication open, and don't shy away from addressing any conflicts or concerns that may arise. By initiating these conversations early on, you're not just tackling financial issues. You're nurturing a deeper understanding of each other and building a resilient partnership capable of weathering any financial storm. So take a deep breath, dive in, and let the waves of financial conversation carry you towards a stronger, more united future. Number 2, run the numbers, and again, just talk. Now that you've broken the ice with your initial money talk, it's time to dive deeper into the financial pool and get down to the nitty-gritty, running the numbers. This step involves laying out all your financial cards on the table, your incomes, debts, assets, and everything in between. Approach this discussion with a spirit of collaboration, not judgment. Remember, you're a team, and understanding each other's financial realities is essential for navigating the waters ahead. Take stock of your financial health by calculating your net worth. Subtract your debts from your assets to get a clear picture of where you stand. Consider obtaining your credit scores as well. It's not about bragging rights, it's about assessing your financial health objectively. And if you're blending families, don't forget to discuss how children's expenses fit into the equation. Throughout this process, keep the lines of communication wide open. Share your concerns, ask questions, and brainstorm solutions together. By facing your financial truths head-on and working as a team, you're laying the groundwork for a solid financial future built on trust, transparency, and mutual respect. Number 3, take action and establish a joint spending and saving plan. With your financial realities laid bare and your goals in sight, it's time to roll up your sleeves and put your plans into action. This step involves crafting a joint spending and saving strategy that aligns with your shared aspirations and values. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to managing finances as a couple. Some prefer to maintain separate accounts for autonomy, while others opt for a fully integrated approach. Whatever path you choose, the key is to ensure transparency and accountability. Start by drafting a joint budget that outlines your combined income, expenses, and savings goals. This serves as a roadmap for your financial journey together. Be prepared to compromise and adjust as needed to accommodate each other's needs and priorities. Consider setting up designated accounts for shared expenses, emergency funds, and individual discretionary spending. This allows for flexibility while maintaining financial transparency. Remember, communication is paramount. Schedule regular check-ins to review your progress, celebrate milestones, and address any challenges that arise. By working together as a team and staying focused on your shared vision, you'll pave the way for a future filled with financial stability and mutual prosperity. So let's take that first step towards financial empowerment together. Number 4, set short and long-term priorities. Now that you've laid the groundwork for your joint financial journey, it's time to set sail towards your shared goals. This step involves identifying both short-term and long-term priorities that reflect your aspirations as a couple. Begin by discussing your dreams and aspirations openly. Whether it's buying a home, starting a family, or traveling the world, articulate your individual desires and find common ground. Remember, setting goals isn't just about finances, it's about creating a roadmap for your future together. Once you've identified your priorities, it's time to get practical. Assess your financial situation realistically and determine how much you can allocate towards your goals each month. Be prepared to make trade-offs and adjustments as needed to stay on track. If you have debt, prioritize paying it off to free up more resources for your goals. Consider creating a timeline for achieving each objective, breaking them down into manageable milestones along the way. And don't forget to celebrate your successes along the journey. Each milestone reached brings you closer to your shared vision of the future. By setting clear priorities and working together towards common goals, you'll strengthen your bond as a couple and pave the way for a brighter financial future. Number 5. Put your plan in action. Set money dates and check in. With your goals set and your roadmap in hand, it's time to embark on the exciting journey of putting your financial plan into action. This step involves translating your intentions into tangible actions and establishing routines to ensure accountability and progress. Designate roles and responsibilities within your financial partnership. Decide who will take the lead in managing day-to-day finances and bill payments, while ensuring that both partners stay informed and involved in decision-making. Consider scheduling regular money dates to review your progress, discuss any challenges or concerns, and celebrate your achievements together. These dedicated times allow you to align your efforts, troubleshoot any issues, and reaffirm your shared commitment to your financial goals. Be flexible and willing to adapt as needed. Life is unpredictable, and your financial plan may need to evolve over time. Stay open to communication and collaboration, and be prepared to adjust your strategies to accommodate changing circumstances. Don't hesitate to seek professional guidance if needed. A financial advisor or counselor can provide valuable insights and expertise to help you navigate complex financial decisions and optimize your plan for success. By putting your plan into action, setting regular check-ins, and staying committed to your shared goals, you'll lay the foundation for a strong and resilient financial future together. In the dance of love and money, communication is the perfect choreographer. By openly discussing finances, setting joint goals, and nurturing a spirit of collaboration, couples can forge a path to financial harmony. Remember, it's not about the size of your bank account, it's about the strength of your bond. So, seize this opportunity to embark on a journey of financial discovery with your partner, knowing that together you can weather any storm and bask in the sunshine of shared dreams. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Until next time, take care and happy budgeting.